Tired of losing potential customers at checkout because you don't have the payment options they trust? Let's fix that today. I'll show you how to seamlessly integrate Razorpay, a leading Indian payment gateway, into your WooCommerce store. First, navigate to your WordPress dashboard and click on Plugins, then select Add New. In the search bar, type Razorpay. You'll see the official Razorpay WooCommerce plugin. Click Install now on the Razorpay WooCommerce plugin. Once installed, click the Activate button. Now, go to WooCommerce and click on Settings, then click the Payments tab. Scroll down until you find Razorpay. Toggle the switch to enable it, then click Manage next to the Razorpay option. Here's where you need your Razorpay API keys. Log into your Razorpay dashboard and generate your API key ID and API key secret. Copy these keys and paste them into the corresponding fields in your WooCommerce settings. Make sure to enable the Live Mode checkbox when you are ready to accept real payments. For now, we can just use test mode. To test the integration, use the test mode and place a test order on your website. Use test card details provided by Razorpay in their documentation. Make sure the test transaction is successful. And that's it. You've successfully integrated Razorpay with your WooCommerce store. You're now ready to accept secure online payments and boost your sales. Don't forget to subscribe for more e-commerce tips and tricks.